This is week 9 of doing something nice every single week for the entire year. Today, I'm surprising my friend Jake with a stuffed animal voice recording of his dad.
On February 3rd, 2023, Jake's dad passed away unexpectedly, so I ordered a Texas Longhorn stuffed animal with his dad's hole-in-one reaction on the inside so he'd always be able to hear his dad's voice.
Backed it up about 1.5 feet. Number 77 in your program, number 1 in your heart.
We finished our weekly flag football game, and I surprised Jake in the parking lot right after.
Hey! Put this button up to your ear, real close, and press it. That's sick, bro. Love you, brother. Cut.